Black Mambazo. This 5 Grammy Award winning group is going to be sitting down with us in a couple of minutes, so you really don't want to miss this. Winter is officially here, bringing with it bitterly cold weather conditions, and for some, the chill takes a toll on skin and hair. Just in case you have the same problem, this next insert will give you a heads up on how to keep the winter blues at bay. Take a look. It's official. Autumn is already in full swing. With every season, hair care as well as skin grooming routines change. And for this autumn-winter season, beauty mavens have spoken, taking us through 3 beauty causes on how to keep the hair healthy and skin glowing. First, we were introduced to the Medisculpt Illumination LED face mask treatment that promises to leave the skin feeling renewed.
The machine that we are demonstrating today is called the LED facial mask, and what's beautiful about this mask is that it is non-invasive. The main function is anti-aging, and that's when we actually have it on the red light. We also have 2 other settings, the blue light and the purple light. The blue light is actually mainly for acne, so if you're not too keen on going onto antibiotics or any aggressive skincare for acne, this is actually a very good treatment to treat that type of skin. And the final light is actually a purple light, and we're using that mainly to detoxify the skin. So if you have a really good skin and you want that extra glow, so this is the perfect treatment for that. We actually combine this treatment with oxygen so that you have this nice, 100% oxygen flow to the skin, and what that helps with is to actually remove the free radicals.
The next tutorial was for hair. Tips on how to give your hair the best tender love and care were shared.
Obviously starting from the base of the hair and wrapping the hair around.
It's really important that we prime our hair before we actually style our hair with a flat iron or a curling one. And by priming our hair, what I mean is we should use a leave-in treatment or a serum that's quite thick and nourishing for the hair. So you give your hair food before you actually take away the moisture from the hair with a hair iron. Definitely using products that are sulfite-free, products that don't contain any parabens. So people are wanting to use more vegan-friendly hair care on their hair. The other thing is obviously they want to use more gentle color on their hair so that the hair doesn't dry out too quickly. People are looking for natural ways to style their hair, quicker, easier looks, and they don't want to spend a lot of time in a salon.
Today I'm basically going to be giving you some quick hints on how to get some quick glam hair. So, we are using today GLAMPALM. I'm using the new wand, and pretty much just going to place it onto the roots of the hair and carry on all the way to the ends in a downward spiral motion. Hold it on for 3 to 5 seconds and release for a perfect curl. Repeat until you got the desired look.